Hey there, credit seekers! If you're tired of getting rejected for loans or just want to boost that credit score, you're in the right place. Today, I'm diving into a no-nonsense review of Credit RX America. And trust me, you'll want to stick around for the special offer at the end. First things first, hit that link in the description below to grab your discount on Credit RX America. Okay, let's get into it. So what exactly is Credit RX America? Well, it's a service designed to help you repair and improve your credit score. Think of it as a personal trainer, but for your credit. They offer a variety of services like removing negative items, disputing errors, and even providing financial tips to keep your score healthy. Now, you might be wondering, does it actually work? Great question. I've dug deep into user reviews and even tried it out myself. And oh boy, the results were pretty impressive. Most users reported a significant bump in their credit scores within just a few months. Plus, their customer service is top-notch, always ready to answer your questions and guide you through the process. Let's talk about the pricing. Credit RX America is surprisingly affordable. They have different plans to suit various needs and budgets. And with the discount link in the description, you'll save even more. Who doesn't love a good deal, right? One of the coolest features of Credit RX America is their personalized approach. They tailor their services to fit your unique credit situation. No cookie-cutter solutions here. It's like having a credit expert in your pocket. But hey, let's keep it real. No service is perfect. Some users mentioned the need for a bit of patience. Credit repair isn't an overnight process, but with consistency, the results are worth it. And honestly, anything worth having takes time, right? Alright, it's time for that special offer I promised. Click the link in the description below to get an exclusive discount on Credit RX America. Don't miss out on this chance to take control of your financial future. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to bad credit and hello to new opportunities, give Credit RX America a shot. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. Thanks for watching and happy credit boosting. Catch you in the next video.